Introduction to multiple inputs in one line.
Handling multiple inputs from a single line is a common task in coding challenges and real-world programs. Instead of typing each value separately, users enter several numbers or words in one go. Learning how to efficiently split and use these values can save time and make your code cleaner in any language.
Python, simple and readable solution.
In Python, multiple inputs from one line are easy to read and process. Use the input function to read the line, then call .split to divide the input into a list. For example, AB equals input.split. To handle numbers, use AB equals map_int input.split. This works for any number of inputs typed and separated by spaces.
Java, using scanner for splitting.
In Java, you can use a scanner object to read multiple values from a single line. The method scanner.nextLine reads the entire input as a string, which you then split with .split space. Convert strings to numbers as needed. For example, string parts equals scanner.nextLine split space int a integer parse int parts 0.
C++ Stream Input Basics.
With C++, the SIN stream allows for inputting several variables in one line, separated by spaces. For example, int AB, standard SIN AB, reads two integers from a single line. To handle more or a variable number of values, you can use a loop with standard SIN, or read a string and split it using string handling functions.
JavaScript, reading inputs in the browser.
In JavaScript, especially when running code in browsers, you might use prompt to get input. To split a user's input, use let_inputs equals prompt, enter values, .split. Each element in the resulting array corresponds to a value. For numeric input, convert with number. Let numbers equals inputs.mapNumber.
Practical tips and common pitfalls.
Always watch out for input types. Input from the user is usually read as strings, so convert to numbers if needed. Also, pay attention to how users will separate their inputs, spaces, commas, or something else. Reading multiple values accurately is a building block for many programming problems.